How pending orders, stop loss, and take profit save your time. Welcome to the 6th lesson of the Forex Basic course. In this lesson, you will learn what the difference is between orders opened by market price and pending orders, how stop loss and take profit work, how to place pending buy and sell orders. Orders opened and closed by market price. At that stage, you opened and closed your orders by market price. That means executing at current ask and bid prices. Whenever you open and close your orders by market price, you need to constantly be in front of your computer to track market movement, keep control of your losses, and lock in your profits. Pending execution for open order and close order. Every time you open an order via the MetaTrader platform, you can specify upper and lower price levels at which this order will be automatically closed. These thresholds are called take profit and stop loss. You can also create pending orders. These open automatically when the price hits the level you specified. These orders are called limit order and stop order. Take profit and stop loss. Stop loss marks the maximum level of loss you can bear for the order. If the price goes against your prediction, take profit marks the price level at which you agree to close your order and fix the profit. Why do you need stop loss? You may not have the MetaTrader charts in front of you at the moment the market starts moving against your forecast. Stop loss will help you keep the majority of your account balance. Sometimes emotions may take over and you'll be tempted to wait for the price trend to reverse, thus losing more and more money. Stop loss will help you stay cool-headed and close the losing trade. Why do we need take profit? The price often hits its maximum level quicker than you expect. Then it turns around and you're too late to close the order at the most profitable price level. Take profit helps you close orders at the moment the price reaches the level you predicted. If you have something more entertaining to do rather than gazing at the chart and waiting for the price to reach the level you want, use take profit to switch off the MetaTrader. How to set stop loss and take profit thresholds. If you open a buy order, set the take profit value above the opening price. Set the stop loss value below the opening price. If you open a sell order, set the take profit value below the opening price. Set the stop loss value above the opening price. How to set stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 4. For desktop and web versions of MetaTrader 4, enter the price levels in the corresponding fields and confirm opening the order. For the Android version of MetaTrader 4, enter the stop loss level in the field underlined with red and the take profit level in the field underlined with green. For iOS version of MetaTrader 4, enter the stop loss and take profit levels in the fields with the corresponding labels. Pending orders. There are two types of pending orders: limit order, stop order. To open a pending buy order, you need to do the following. Open a buy stop order if you want to set the price above the current price. Open a buy limit order if you want to set the price below the current price. To open a pending sell order, you need to do the following. Open a sell stop order if you want to set the price below the current price. Open a sell limit order if you want to set the price above the current price. How you can use pending orders in trading. A price tends to reverse its direction after hitting its limits. Limit order triggers at that point, allowing you to open an order at the most advantageous price automatically. Stop order. The stop order is applied when the price is about to surpass the specific level, at which point it is likely to start growing. Imagine that the stop in stop order prompts you to stop waiting. When it triggers, we stop waiting and open an order. Buy order is opened at the ask price and closed at the bid price. Sell order is opened at the bid price and closed at the ask price. MetaTrader shows the chart for the bid price. This is why stop loss and take profit set for sell order trigger slightly above the price level you see on the screen. Let's summarize what we've learned from this lesson. You can open and close orders by market price. This kind of Forex trading requires you to track the price in MetaTrader continuously. Setting a stop loss limits your losses. It closes loss-making orders at a predefined price. Stop loss helps you stick to your initial strategy and protects your nerves in the case of uncertainty. Take profit allows you to get the most out of the deal. It closes your profitable orders at the set price. If you want an order to open automatically at a certain price level, apply pending limit and stop orders. To open a pending sell order, you need to do the following. Open a sell stop order if you want to set the price below the current price. Open a sell limit order if you want to set the price above the current price. If you create a pending buy order, apply a buy stop order for the prices below the current price and a buy limit order above the current price. In our next lesson, you will learn how to allocate your money and steer clear of devastating losses by making effective investments.